Alright you guys, so I'm pulling out over here. Let's just wait a little bit and I'm just gonna give y'all a little quick sneak peek. Hey you guys, so it's 6:44. Here at the park, just gonna show y'all real quick a quick walkthrough of how I installed my SFR stage tune and how to avoid getting any check light engine errors and how to avoid the boost cut, which is probably the most likely reason why you're getting a check light. So I had to come to the park because I couldn't record at my parents' house. I forgot to turn on the excuse my messy car. Right. So pretty much this is where your ECU is at. The only thing you had to do, gotta get that bolt off, which is a 10mm, and then there's another one right there that you gotta take off. Excuse the messy engine. And then there's another one that's the hardest one, which is down there. But yesterday I was changing it in the rain and I lost that one, so I just gotta buy another one. But that's the hardest one to get. So have these bolts taken off. You pull out the ECU, and then you'll just have a few 4 bolts to take off. And from there, that's pretty much all it really takes. Should take you about 10 minutes or so, but the most important thing to do is just to make sure when you take it off. When I first turned it on, I didn't have any check engine lights or anything, but as I started testing out the car, I waited like 10 minutes to see, just to let it kind of sink. And from there, I kept on getting like boost cuts. Every time I would step on it, I would feel, basically the turbo wouldn't kick in. If you look right here, I mean, I know this is not too accurate, but every time I would step on it, it would just stay down to 0. So what I realized is when I was looking around on YouTube, which is the dumbest mistake that I could have made, even my brother told me, but I was just being hard-headed. When you unplug everything, just make sure to turn off to disconnect your negative cable, because when I first put it on, I wasn't getting anything. I thought it was $690 wasted. I was pretty upset. I was like, man, what am I gonna do now? But I just said, screw it, you know what? Let's unplug the cable, the negative cable on your battery. Let me turn off the car again. waited for about 30 seconds, and the funny story is it was about like 2 in the morning last night, and I had just got in my tune and I couldn't wait. It was raining too pretty bad, so I was like, damn it, like how am I gonna get this on the car? So we went to a gas station and installed it. Like I'm telling you, it literally takes like at the most 5 minutes. As long as you have a ratchet and a socket and a 10mm, that's all you need. You might need an extension just to get the one that's like the one that's like in the very bottom of it. That's probably all you'll need to, well, that is all you need, and it'll take you about 5 to 10 minutes at the most. So we did that and started noticing the boost. Comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, please feel free and don't hesitate to ask me. This is one of the biggest things you can do to your car if you're a Genesis owner. It really does feel a lot better, like a lot better. And I was comparing my power to my brother's 350Z, the HR. Which that one's pushing 300 and I'm just gonna say 300 horsepower. So it's pretty fast, a good daily driver. I'm pretty happy. So once again, if you have any questions, just make sure to ask me, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll probably do a 0 to 60 video later throughout this week, and I'll show y'all a little bit more of the differences of the stage 1.5 tune from SFR. I'm pretty happy. It took me over a month to get it, but you know, it was well worth the wait, and they had a good customer service. I mean, they kept me updated, so it wasn't any trouble trying to contact them at all. So yeah, I'll see if I can do some runs. If I don't, then I'll end it there, and I'll see you guys here in a bit, maybe. Alright you guys, so I'm pulling out over here. Let's just wait a little bit, and I'm just gonna give y'all a little quick sneak peek. Red light, so I had to stop it. So here, let me see if I can get another area that I can do a little takeoff for y'all, and then I'll do an official 0 to 60 with the SFR tune here soon, within this week, so just stay updated. Mind you guys, I still got my traction control on and everything, so here's another sneak peek.